She's so mean to me. She won't give me my MP3.
Devin, go eat a rainbow.
And speaking of rainbows, you want to comment on that?
You open up Devin's head and look at her brain. You'll see nothing but rainbows and gay people dancing everywhere and singing like a parade, shooting batoons in the air, and hearing dance, magic dance over the intercom. And Devin's in a robot mode. That's Devin.
I'm Jigsaw. Great, now everyone knows our names. Bitch. Cunt. I'm gonna slap you, cunt bag. I swear I am not high, but I swear also that someone spiked the OJ. Maddie, did you spike my OJ?